Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral from 0 to e of the square root of 1 minus ln s ds. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals for the square root. Later that we put the square in the both sides. Next, we need to find the value of s. So we move u square on the right and s on the left. So we put about e to the power of ln s. So on the right we have e to the power of 1 minus u square. This one you got about s equal to e to the power of 1 minus u square. Next, we do first derivative in the both sides for this one. So you will go about 2u du equal to negative ds over s. So we move negative on the left and s on the left, and so you will get about negative 2s u du equal to ds. About s, we change for this one. And now we need to change about 0 and e. So if s equal to 0, so we can find the value of u equals to, because if s approach to the 0, this one go to the negative infinity, but we have the negative in here, so you go about the positive infinity. If s up equals to e, so we put e in here, and you go about u equal to 0. So we need to change this one. This one you go about positive infinity. E we need to change into 0, and this one we change for u. So we have the s, we change for this one. U multiply with u, you got about u square. Next, we have the positive infinity is bigger than number 0 in here. We have the negative side, so we can swap the top and the bottom together, and now you will get about the integral from 0 to positive infinity. We put number 2 in here. So we have e to the power of 1 minus u square. We can separate them into e multiply with e to the power of negative u square du. So we put e outside. Next, we have f of u equals to this one. If we put about f of negative u, you will get the same one. So that should be about even function. Now we can put about negative infinity to positive infinity. So now we have number 2, and this is about a half of them. So in this situation you go about negative infinity, and we don't need to have the number 2 in here. And we know that this integral in here, that should be about the square root of b over 2. And now we can get the final answer, that should be about e multiplied with the square root of b over 2. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.